Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add birds to your video in Capcut. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Capcut application on my mobile phone. And after that, I'm going to create a new project in Capcut. I'm going to click on new project and then you can import the video you want to edit. And I just want to access a video from the Capcut library because I don't have any footage to be edited. I'm going to select this video, and for example, I'm going to add birds to this video. If we want to add birds, we can go to the Capcut library again, and we have to search for birds green screen video, or actually you can go to your Google application and then you can download birds green screen video. But here I'm just going to use green screen video from the Capcut library. I'm going to click on overlay, tap on add overlay, and then I'm going to go to the Capcut library. Then we can search for green screen bird or bird green screen. You make sure you search with the keyword green screen and bird, and here there are a lot of options for you guys. And for example, I'm gonna go with this one. We have to download the video before we add it to our project, and after the video has been downloaded, we can add it to our CapCut project. I'm going to click on add. Okay, and we can zoom in like this to fit the screen. And then to remove the green screen, we can use chroma feature. You can tap on the green screen video and then you can go to remove background menu. Okay, and here you can use a chroma key feature to remove the green screen. You can place the circle on the green screen, then you can increase the intensity, the shadow as well. Okay, and wait, I'm going to take a look at the final result. Okay guys, as you can see that the birds have been added to my video, and this is the final result. Okay, and once you're ready to save your video, you can click on export, and then the video will be saved to your gallery. Okay guys, and that's all the way to add birds to our video in CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video guys.